Module 3, Tools for Continuous Improvement. 5S of a good housekeeping. 5S is a systematic approach of good housekeeping. It is today gaining strong support in most industries, especially in Japan, and there are increasing number of companies which are implementing 5S with greater involvement of people within the organization. The assumption why 5S is becoming so popular in Japan in recent years and in other countries today is that it emphasizes a people-oriented approach, or the way of life. 5S expects everyone, indeed, everyone to participate in it. It is based on the belief that every individual can contribute to improving his or her workplace where he or she spends one-third of his or her life. Why is it becoming popular among companies in Japan? Simply because workplace becomes clean and better organized. Shop floor and office operations become easier and safer. Results are visible to everyone, insiders and outsiders. Visible results enhance generation of more ideas. People are automatically disciplined. People become proud of a clean and organized workplace. And the last one, it is resultant to good company image, which generates more business, and etc. Some significant benefits observed at companies practicing 5S include happier employees with high morale, less work in progress and inventories, greater people involvement, better flow of work, low employee turnover, low machine breakdown rates, increased number of suggestions, high yield of materials, better use of floor space, high product quality. These are the 5S. First one is Sayuri, which means to sort out unnecessary items in the workplace and discard them. The next, Seiton, which means arrange necessary items in good order so that they can be easily picked for use. The third, Seiso, clean your workplace thoroughly so that there is no dust on floors, machines, and equipment. The fourth, Seiketsu, maintain high standards of workplace at all times. The fifth, Shitsuke, train people to follow good housekeeping discipline automatically. The next tool is the Pareto Principle. Pareto rule, or the 80-20 principle, was invented by Vilfredo Pareto in the 19th century. He discovered that 80% of England's wealth was controlled by 20% of its people. This notion was more about the notion of productive laziness. According to Pareto, you need to determine the 20% that matters. Look at 80%, then do the 3 Ds, which are, the first one is delete or reduce. The second is to delegate or get or hire someone else to do it. And the next one is the D for the double down, which is focused only on 4% on that focused innermost results. The third tool for continuous improvement is the 6 thinking hats. Dr. Edward de Bono developed the 6 thinking hat method, which has been embraced by the world leaders in business, government, and education because of its simplicity and the power to change the thinking behavior. He is the originator of the concept of lateral thinking, a systematic approach to creative thinking that employs formal techniques based directly on the behavior of the human brain. What is parallel thinking? It means that any moment everyone is looking at the same direction. In parallel thinking, both views, no matter how contradictory, are put down in parallel. If later on it is essential to choose two differing positions, then an attempt to choose is made at that point. If a choice cannot be made, then the design has to cover both possibilities. At all times, the emphasis is on designing a way forward. The white hat. It is neutral and objective. The white hat is concerned with objective facts and figures. The red hat suggests anger, seeing red, rage, and emotions. It gives the emotional view. Black hat is somber and serious. The black hat is cautious and careful. It points out the weakness in an idea. The yellow hat is sunny and positive. The yellow hat is optimistic and covers hope and positive thinking. Green hat, on the other hand, is grass, vegetation, and abundant, fertile, and growth. The green hat indicates creativity and new ideas. The blue hat is cool. It is also the color of the sky, which is above everything else. The blue hat is concerned with control, the organization of the thinking process, and the use of the other hats. The fourth is the ISO, or the International Organization for Standardization. So, the word ISO is derived from the Greek word isos, meaning equal. Generally, the abbreviation itself refers to the organization which evaluates, assesses, and gives the certification itself. The overall goal is to establish a standard, repeatable, successful process that yields a quality product or service at the lowest cost possible while achieving 100% customer satisfaction. ISO 9001 or Quality Standard, embedded on the quality standards, mostly checking on the improvement of facilities, documentation, and organizing pre-numbered data. ISO 9001 only focuses on quality management system or QMS, assigning and aligning the processes and procedures to a standardized setting that will define the organization objectives and how to meet the objectives and go to beyond expectations. ISO 14001 or Environmental Standard. It is a family of standards related to environmental management that exists to help organizations minimize how their operations negatively affect the environment, comply with applicable laws, regulations, and other environmentally oriented requirements, and continually improvement on the life of the business. ISO 45001 or OHSMS, Occupational Health and Safety Management Standard. It was published in March 2018. This new standard sets high on the reduction of occupational injuries and diseases, including promoting and protecting physical and mental health. This new standard is based on the old OHSAS 18001. It's formulated to improve the workplace safety, control the possible risks, and induce the possibility of higher profitability.